you. Oh my god, it actually works. Okay, so okay, hi guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today I've got a bit of a busy day ahead of me. I'm heading to the studio to and how much noise is making. I'm heading to the studio to work on a music project for a sync project, and I'm bringing you guys along today so you can see what a life of a songwriter looks like, and yeah, laugh along at all my funky songwriting. Anyway, gosh, okay guys, it's when you haven't vlogged for a long time, it's really awkward when you start doing it because you feel like everybody's watching you, and then but like I'm trying to get into oh gosh, the wind is real. Okay, but I'm trying to like be really serious and fight my insecurities. I was watching this thing that said if you want to get over something, your fears, and get over being judged, just do something really outrageous. So like either dress weirdly or like really bold colors and stuff. So this is my conquering the fear and the insecurity. Because everybody, I swear to God, guys, everybody looks at you. So this is my way of getting over being judged and getting over being looked at, is vlogging and talking to myself essentially in public. Guys, I'm here. I haven't been here for a while. So I'm at Talyard Studios. Can you see Talyard Studios? This is where my session is. I always feel like when I'm talking to you guys I'm out of breath, which is so bad. But yeah, made it here, going in for my session, and I'll update you guys later.
That's good.
Was that right?
Yeah.
That was so wrong in my ears.
It's a major thing because we're doing the bass is like a minor run, but then
Yeah.
when you put a major. Whoa! Again. Let's just do it every 2 bars. Yeah. Oh! Hey! Oh! Hey!
We're doing oh wait,
I don't know.
oh wait, oh wait.
Vibe.
It's soft to oh, here we go.
Alright, let me just see if that's actually gonna.
Okay guys, so today, firstly, I'm at Talyard Music Studios. Run, musicians know. If you're a musician, you know. Okay, so there's... Obviously, I'm working on that project. I told you about the project that I was working on, so still haven't finished yet. We're nearly finished. It's not going to be much longer. And today there's this networking event, Notting Hill Publishers networking event. That's on, I think, once a month. Yeah, so it's a massive crowd out there. Let me show yo. Let me show yo. Okay. You saw what it was, darling. You saw. Okay. So musicians, it's once a month. Come and network. It's a networking event with lots of people, industry people. So yeah, come check it out. Come check it out. Come check it out. Come check it out. Can I go in? Can I come in?
Do you want to put your headphones on?
Oh. Okay.
Caught up on the video. Ready? So double time claps. Yeah? 1, 2.
Jesus Lord, I couldn't do it anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god. Was I in time?
Yeah.
Jesus Lord.
I mean, it's supposed to be a bit loose, so.
I have issues being on time, guys.
Woo! It's good.
I worked really hard for that.